Hi friends! So we're gonna cook yan yung oyster sauce natin or eggplant po. Unahin natin yan. So igisa muna natin with sibuyas and bawang. Nasa house ka ba ngayon? So, let's cook for our family. So, yan. Si Papsi nasa office eh. Meron siyang business planning meeting. So, for dinner naman ito matitikman. Sibuyas and bawang hindi nagisa natin. So we're gonna use our eggplant. Hindi natin nagamit last Sunday, so sayang naman. Nilagay natin ang ating oyster sauce. Sana masarap ang ating oyster sauce. Ano natin ng water para makuha natin.
Use the decision component as the basis for excusing yourself from the criminal liability, because the statement of the commissioner
Papalambutin natin ang ating eggplant. Meanwhile, gisa naman natin ang ating shabu-shabu soup. Habang nasa inis natin ito. So, bandawan muna natin ang ating sandok. Attention ako, we have limited sandok. Hindi naman tayo madalas magluto ng tuna ulam. So anyway, lulutuin na rin natin ang ating shabu-shabu. So again, we have our sibuyas and bawang para sa shabu-shabu natin. Friend, house ka ba ngayon? Konti na lang po yung cases natin ngayon. Ito po ang ating talong. Naan natin ang konti ang ating apoy. Palambutin natin ang talong with oyster sauce. shabu-shabu. So, chicken naman ang panggisa natin. Chicken wings po ang ginamit natin. This time, ang lasa natin is patis. Pwede natin ng patis ang ating chicken.
Kung si Marcos Jr. na kain lang ang ibig ay bakit ako hindi pa rin naman, that won't fly.
So yeah. And para po may color ang ating shabu-shabu, gamit tayo ng atsuete. Yan po yung atsuete natin. So we're gonna use a strainer para hindi po sumama ang ating, ayan po yung ating atsuete seeds. So that's our talong, and this is our shabu-shabu. So dagdagan po natin ng supa yung shabu-shabu kasi gusto ni Papsi maraming sabaw. So ayan po, lagyan pa natin ng additional na soup ang ating sa ano na lang gamitin natin. Bigyan natin ng additional water.
Solely rely on the elements of the offense, and
More.
didn't involve more person. But I just go for the
Four.
and she said
Anong nilagay natin water?
for 4 years repeatedly, and shouldn't that be evidence enough that it did involve moral turpitude? Your thoughts on that? Let me react.
Later po, ilalagay natin ang ating tokwa pagka lumambot na po yung ating. So yan, papakuluan po muna natin yung ating chicken. Papalambutin natin yung chicken. Pag okay na po yan, talagay natin ang ating tokwa and our different kinds of balls. And of course, our kangkong. And then, lalagyan din po natin ng chili sauce ang ating shabu-shabu. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.